Welcome to the lesson. In this lesson, let's talk about what a feedback loop is and the steps that are involved. Now, anytime we're prompting a generative AI service, effectively using prompt engineering, this is really going to be the iterative process we're using of providing a prompt and then evaluating the output and then taking that initial prompt and making it more refined, to be more iterative, to refine it, to improve it. It's really nothing more than that. It's really a cycle that we use in the world of prompt engineering. Now let's go through an example. I have here a very simple prompt, and I'm asking it basically, what would be the top cloud computing roles for 2025? Again, not very specific. However, let's look at the output, and then from the output, let's decide what we want to iterate in the prompt, make changes to the prompt basically. Okay, so it is providing us output. And one thing to keep in mind when we're using generative AI, just be aware that making even small changes can have a huge impact. Okay, so the blog post is now done. And it has a list of 10. That's what we asked for. And these are all different roles in cloud computing. So that looks good. Haven't really read anything yet, but just at a high level, the list looks good. Now here it's saying, would you like a breakdown of salary certifications or how to transition into one of these roles? Okay, right there is really part of the AI generation that is providing us the ability to expand upon the prompt, to refine the prompt, to iterate. So let's say, okay, yes, I would like to have that information. So I'm going to go yes. It's now going to take that breakdown of the salary, etc., and add that to the output. And let's see how we did. Are we done yet? Okay, it is done. Now, it is now prompting you again to iterate one more time. Now I could go ahead and say, how about choose a roadmap? So I'm going to go here. Actually, it's probably easier just to type it. Let's go ahead and say create a roadmap. And it'll go ahead and put together this roadmap. It tells you the different stages. It even lists courses, which is cool. And I was going to ask that next, but it actually got ahead of me there. And that is great. So now let's just double check it is done. And when I go down, it is basically providing all this great information. And it's also asking me, would I like to create a PDF or a Google Docs tracker? In summary, we want to think of the feedback loop as really a practical application of how the iterative nature of prompt engineering is. We want to, of course, feed the prompt, wait for the results, reply to the results by editing the prompt, wait again for the results, adjust any nuances you see, be more specific, right? That's really what a feedback loop is in the world of generative AI. Let's move to the next lesson.